subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo sub-brand Iqoo has launched two new smartphones in China called Iqoo Neo 5S and Neo 5 SE. Both of these devices looks quite identical but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Iqoo Neo 5S is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Iqoo Neo 5S features a 6.62-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a tall 91.4% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, paired with Adreno 660 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Iqoo Neo 5S supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture, plus 13MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery with 66W fast charging support, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on Origin OS Ocean Skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with a large thermal heat dissipation system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions, and it also includes dual stereo speakers with 4D Game Vibration 3.0 support. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.22 by 76.4 by 8.39mm, and it weighs around 197 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Iqoo Neo 5S has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2,699 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 2,899 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 3,199 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Night Space, Orange Light, and Sunset Canyon color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from December 24th. So what do you guys think of this Iqoo Neo 5S smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.